Keeping a dog healthy involves several key aspects. 1. Balanced diet. Provide high-quality dog food appropriate for your dog's age, size, and breed. Avoid overfeeding and ensure access to clean water at all times. 2. Regular exercise. Engage your dog in daily physical activity to maintain a healthy weight, strengthen muscles, and stimulate mental well-being. The type and duration of exercise depend on the breed and age of the dog. 3. Veterinary care. Schedule regular checkups with a veterinarian for vaccinations, preventive care, and early detection of health issues. Follow your vet's advice on parasite control, dental care, and necessary treatments. 4. Mental stimulation. Keep your dog mentally stimulated with interactive toys, puzzles, training sessions, and socialization opportunities. Mental stimulation is crucial for preventing boredom and behavioral problems. 5. Grooming. Regular grooming, including brushing, bathing, nail trimming, and ear cleaning, helps maintain your dog's hygiene and prevents skin issues and infections. 6. Safety measures. Keep your dog safe by providing a secure environment, using a leash or harness during walks, and ensuring identification tags or microchips are up to date in case they get lost. 7. Love and attention. Dogs thrive on love and attention from their owners. Spend quality time with your dog, provide affection, and establish a strong bond through positive reinforcement training methods. 8. Monitor health changes. Be vigilant for any changes in your dog's behavior, appetite, energy levels, or appearance, as these could indicate underlying health issues. Promptly address any concerns with your veterinarian. By incorporating these tips into your dog's routine, you can help ensure they lead a healthy and happy life.